A Russian ammunition depot in Ukraine's embattled Kherson region was destroyed on Friday as the Ukrainian military's southern counteroffensive continued. Ukraine's Operational Command South said on Facebook that 10 armored vehicles and an ammunition depot were wiped out in the Kherson region's Berislav district, which is located less than 50 miles from the Russian-occupied city of Kherson. While OCS did not indicate the precise location of the depot, a video appearing to show the fiery aftermath of an attack on an ammunition depot, shared to Twitter by Kyiv Post, suggests that the strike may have been in the village of Vysokopilya. OCS also said that 37 Russian troops had been killed on Friday. Russian equipment losses included 3 tanks, 4 Masta-B howitzers and a Grad rocket launcher. A Sukhoi Su-25 jet that was damaged in a Ukrainian attack on Thursday was also moved from the area by Russian forces, according to OCS. A Thursday post from OCS reported that 201 Russian military personnel had been killed in the southern counteroffensive since it began in late August, while 6 Russian ammunition depots, 12 T-72 tanks and a wide range of Russian military equipment and weapons had been destroyed. The UK Ministry of Defence released a map on Friday indicating that Russia has lost a small but significant amount of ground in the less than 1 week since Ukraine's southern counteroffensive began. Ukraine's Turkish-made drones are blowing up Russian equipment in southern Ukraine, helping to clear a path for Ukrainian battalions as they fight their way toward Russian-occupied Kherson. Videos that have circulated online since Kyiv announced its long-anticipated southern counteroffensive on Monday depict the 1.5-ton, propeller-driven Bayraktar TB2 drone striking a Russian mortar team and a self-propelled howitzer. It's likely there have been many more drone strikes in the south in recent days, there's just no visual evidence yet. The southern drone strikes underscore the durability of Ukraine's TB2 force as Russia's wider war on Ukraine grinds into its 6th month. The Russians, despite their best efforts, have failed to destroy enough TB2s or supporting equipment to ground the force. The strikes also hint at the effects of the Ukrainian Air Force's ongoing suppression of enemy air defenses campaign. The SEAD effort, combining Ukrainian MiGs with American-supplied anti-radar missiles, seems to have cleared the air for the slow, essentially defenseless TB2s. It was an open question, in the days leading up to Russia's invasion of Ukraine on the night of February 23, whether Ukraine's roughly 24 missile-armed TB2s even would survive the first volley of Russian missiles. A month later, it was apparent the TB2s not only survived, they quickly flew into action. In those critical early weeks of the wider war, TB2s belonging to the Ukrainian Air Force and Navy dismantled whole swathes of Russia's frontline air defense network, then began striking Russian tanks, trucks, trains, command posts and even ships at sea. Firing 14-pound, laser-guided smart micro-munition missiles, the TB2s so far have knocked out around 100 Russian vehicles, radars and command posts that outside analysts can confirm. The actual number of drone kills undoubtedly is much higher. TB2s played a central role in Ukraine's sea denial campaign in the western Black Sea starting in April. Drones reportedly distracted the crew of the Russian Navy cruiser Moskva so a ground-based Neptune missile crew could strike the vessel, ultimately sinking it. TB2s also blew up ships and helicopters resupplying the Russian garrison on Snake Island, starving the garrison and eventually forcing it to evacuate.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.